Okay, CBX has now been thoroughly washed, degreased, blow dried. Just put a bit of paint on the center and side stand. Now time to crack on with some detailing. Lots of little alley bits to polish. All the front of that exhaust. I'm going to touch up this emblem. It's got a bit of black coming off. Once all that's done, footrest hangers be polished, exhaust, we will crack on with the paint. Look at the paintwork on this, it's looking terrible. So we're gonna do a two-stage machine polish on all this paintwork. I'm pretty sure it might even be the original paint. It's got the original stickers there, unless somebody had those when they had it repainted. So we're gonna do a two-stage machine polish. Yes, once we've got all the chrome polished up, all the alley bits polished up, we are then gonna do a two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork. See if we can get rid of a few of those spider webs, get some nice bit of gloss back into that, and then we'll prep it and seal it with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro. So let's crack on with a bit of detailing. Okay, continuing on with this lovely CBX, all the chrome work has been polished, mirror polished up the footrest hangers, the little gear shifter down there's had a bit of a polish. I polished up all the exhaust. This is a patent exhaust. Unfortunately, it is a bit blue. I can't get rid of that. Just doing this paint work. I said previously, it's in quite a bad shape. But just doing a two-stage polish. This is before. That's after. So we're going to continue doing that. Two-stage on all the paint work. And then we're going to prep it and treat it with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramic. She's in pretty bad shape. So once that's done, this bike is finished and looking good. And then we'll crack on with that drag star over there. There you go, 3 hours and 20 minutes on the dot. This Honda CBX has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our full works packages, which does include a two-stage machine polish and the Ultimaxx ceramic. Look at the paintwork now. Managed to get rid of most all that swirling spider webs. Got a nice bit of gloss back to it. We then prepped it and treated it with the Ultimaxx Lumex. That is a 3-year ceramic protection. Absolutely gleaming. Look at that. Every single bit of chrome has been polished. All the alley bits have been polished. We use the white diamond metal polish, which does leave a protective coating. I XCP'd all the motor, painted a couple of little bits, your oil filter cover, a few other bits. Yeah, absolutely gleaming. Just over 3 hours. Painted the tips of the exhaust, which were red rusty. Ready to go. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. 07966 249 963.